Yo, welcome to CMTV. This is your boy Lee. I present another episode of NGIYAKUFUNA, a show where you can confess to someone about your feelings. Let's see who's going to be brave today.
Yo, what's up? This is Akidilia Morena. I'm currently a producer, so ndize apha ngiclile mo. So yeah, ngibhalela isinyamfuna manje ngazi yena ukuthi isikhipani ngayo ukuthi wanqa thina kuyamqala kuyaqala kayena so akucibe yena hore. Yatla una team too. So yeah. Yo, damn.
Hello.
Awesome, Lesana.
Yabulela.
Okay, ndimar.
Yabulela kona njani wena?
Sharp. And then manje nawe but angazi ngizothi beka kanjani indaba le. Shimaye ngibhizi lapha e-studio ngisithola isikhathi ufuna ukukhuluma nawe yabo nama beat lapha ya I'm sure so we can do some ngivakashele at least ke ufike lapha ya mfethu it's like mangimbona nje ayangihlanyisa so
And do what?
chill like chile sonke mfethu I mean kunamajita lapha ya ngithi nawe uzohlala nami lapha ya ngiyacela mfethu isikhiphani
Oh ayakho ngxaki.
Yeah, so mfethu umuhle lo girl so ngiyami yabo ukuthi ngizimoshela isikhathi la kulongayi kuye.
Yebo, xa ndizawuya students zawufika ndenze ntoni pha? Zawuhlalela ntoni pha?
You know I got you more so ngizofela phana sihambe sigalitos chicken licking and eat some shit dog like come on.
Oh okay, akho ngxaki ke if that's so. So ke xa ndizawuya students zawuhlala ndenze ntoni pha because andazi kwanto student mna.
Check since I told you. So fela phana sihambe sigalitos noma chicken licking and then buy inyama lapha sahlala studio shama beats mamela ama beats. Maybe we can record too, we don't know.
The guy called you in the show to say, NGIYAKUFUNA. How did you feel about the whole situation?
I was shocked.
Serious?
Yeah, because I didn't expect it.
Where do you know her from?
Since from way back yabo kahle ngazela high school.
Okay.
Ngazela high school so I was doing grade 12, she was doing grade 11. So but then Bengisha was cold feet.
Why is it called a studio not a Galitos chicken leg and
Okay, fine. We can go to Galitos and then Sam is studio. Actually, ngifuna spend this card now. Kanti awuboni wena.
Oh, you want quality time with
Thank you.
Why?
Yo, mfethu. Yo. Just ukuba nawe nje qha nje.
Oh.
Just spend it. I mean, since now yeah, since ngicela lokadala, ngisale nale now sure. But then ugrand mos zovaya or what?
So this quality time besingenoyenzela kwenye ndawo why is student?
Not text that before watching ubhizi ngithi that's why ngithi some studio but then Galitos yeah. So qale Galitos City Studio or I don't know.
Oh, besingenoye kwenye ndawo with ngaphandle kwe studio.
Where maybe
go by mall, Carlton Center.
Abalabo Carlton ngaka nje yini ufunani Carlton?
I'm just asking why do you want us to go to the studio?
Okay, listen, there's this project engiyenzayo and then there's this artist oyifunayo. So that's why I'm making the studio like 24 hours. That's why like at least let me spend this time with you and then some studio yabo. Angifuna uhlala manje ma Carlton Center and then this artist ufuna something yabo. Ufuna i-beat like project project lapha.
She was complaining about studio because you talk about studio a lot.
Yeah.
Do you think that's going to be a problem? Your relationship won't work, or she might not be interested because you're too much on the studio thing?
I don't think it's gonna be a problem because so khuluma vele ukuthi silungisa kanjani obvious relationship yalungiswa yabo. She have to understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. I mean, yeah. Nama artist abhaya la ngaphandle bana mashiri yabo. So nami ngicela angifake nje lapho ukuthi azokhona understand ukuthi I mean this is a studio. Naye ngapha thola something. So kahle since ngitshela ke ngifuna lela beat yawo ngishaya lela beat and then if uzoba khona lapha wena so fanele beyifire kahle kahle nama lapha wena yabo uyangimotivate kahle mangibona nje wena manje ngishaya ibeat ngikubona lobuhle beke umuhle kanjani mfethu.
I know I'm beautiful but why this thing is all about you and is studio nan.
Anti ngisipana kanjalo nje vele at least ngiyakutshela ukuthi.
But you work with a lot of people, as we said, artists, earning and stuff.
Yeah, I do work with a lot of people, but
so why can't you take the ones that you are working with in the studio?
Abantlathu mfethu. Abantlathu njaka.
At least you're being professional.
Yeah, abantlathu mara yena yo Hayi. Umuhle mfethu.
Okay.
Kimusadi. So nama lapha wena vele ngiyazi ngigama ideas ngenze njani yabo plus mangilongibhekana nawe lapha mangenza le beat like I'll be like oh dang, so ngiyacela son.
But this thing is all about you, not me and your studio.
Nah, it's not about me. Yeah, since ngitshela ke so angazi are you gonna pull up or what?
If I'm gonna pull out ne, xa ndipha estudio ndizawubukela wena, ayizubakho la quality time uyifunayo, ayizubakho into uyifunayo like spend ixesha soba yi-2
I wish kube benganaso ke studio noma benga busy project lapha, but then that's the only time when I'm free now because so lapha culture and then studio, that's the only time I have.
So which means I'm going to watch you working.
Then when I'm done, we'll talk. Obviously, thanks for taking my wings. I'm sure you're not gonna get bored there.
Are you sure?
Perfectly.
How do you know?
Because okay, because like I'm pitting one shy like the bomb vibe. Maybe now ngifake vocal lakho lapha ngishani piano. Maybe now ngacula lapha.
If I'm not interested.
So the thing is onele ne na ke orata mfethu. Kuthi sinko bani ke obatla ke orata. So ga lentse go bona mo ka ntle ya o vaya. It's like wa tseba hore ke obatla. So I don't know hore eish. Ya ikopa metsi mfethu. Yo, kopa metsi.
How do you know him?
We were friends way back. Yeah.
So manje uyazi ukuthi yena uyakufuna.
Hey, seyangishela manje.
Yeah, so onele ngiyakufuna son. That's why ngibhalele ngiyakufuna so bahlahle ngiyakufuna mfethu. Ngiyawubatla. Thank you bro, thank you.
Why uzongixelela lento apha bengenoba mhlambe ungixelela kwenye ndawo? Why ungixelela?
But I'm always busy. Like I don't get time, so this is the only time I have with you right now.
So you elixesha bengenolisebenzisa kwenye ndawo, but siqonda uzawuza apha wena son.
Yeah, that was the only way in which.
Yoba ungixelela ba uyandifuna.
Yeah.
So ke njemba undifuna ne mandithi ndiyavuma ne ujola nawe, but ke ngoku uzaba nalo njani ixesha lethu soyi-2 because kaloku wena ungulowe studio mntakabawo.
Since you guys are going to chill at the studio, do you think it's going to work?
I don't think so because he is more I don't know.
You have to understand in fact, I mean, that long has very since way back ukuthi artist, producer. So I think by now you understand. So it's kind of so now so between me and now, trust me.
Kaloku ngoku bendikwazi ne besingajoli, but kaloku ngoku masithi ndiyajola nawe. Ixesha awuzuba nalo for him na.
Also there's a possibility to singajola mna nawe. Maybe to singajola mna nawe.
Singajola singangajola, I don't know.
How come we don't know? Oh, okay, wait, are you taken?
No, I'm not taken.
So dintang.
Kaloku le nba ungazibona xesha lam so andiyazi man.
I'll try to fit you in, obviously, Joe, because I'm going to drop a studio much because that's like my career right now. Yeah, so have to make money. So conclude now. With respect, I mean, just imagine.
Okay, ke if you say so, ndingazi studio andithi ndiyavuma nebasi. But ndingazi studio ndibone lento ndiphethe yona. I think we can take it from there.
Or at least that's promising, at least. So yeah, nyawonga ne.
Okay, if you say so, ne. Ndizawuza studio. It's not like jola nawe ne, but ndizawuza studio ndibone ba like le time ufuna si spend so yi-2 izawundenza ntoni mna yabo, and I think we can take it from there.
Yeah, I pull up because very nipihle piano lapha yabo, so maybe sofaka nje vocal lakho master reflect grand and then maybe so famous ngekwazi. I mean, but I got you since I told you I got you.
Okay, sizobona ngoko ke.
Emara muhle sana.
Yabonga.
Yeah, my date was fine.
So you're just giving it a try?
Yeah.
So good to you like him a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.